As manufacturing advances and labor costs rise, businesses are turning to automation to stay ahead, especially in precision industries like automotive, 3C electronics, and home appliances. Stamping automation technology is key to boosting efficiency and cutting costs. Ready to upgrade your stamping process? Want faster, smarter, more cost-effective stamping? Qinfeng's got you covered. Qinfeng offers a one-stop solution for all your stamping technology needs. From precision mold manufacturing to 3-in-1 feeders, stamping robots, and secondary, tertiary manipulators, riveting devices. We make it easy for you to find the perfect equipment for your production line. With Qinfeng, upgrading your manufacturing has never been simpler. Qinfeng also provides customized solutions adapted to your needs, significantly enhancing the compatibility and efficiency of your production lines. At the same time, we help you effectively reduce overall investment costs. Qinfeng, China's hidden champion in stamping robot. We sincerely invite you to visit our company. Qinfeng has nearly 2 decades of industry experience in automation, is recognized as one of China's hidden champions in stamping robotics. In 2023, Qinfeng operates a 36,000 square meter intelligent manufacturing base, staffed by a professional team of over 300 employees. Our machines have achieved a market retention exceeding 50,000 units sold, and we have served more than 2,000 clients. Qinfeng stamping automation products have not only achieved high market penetration in China, but also expanded their influence to over 50 countries worldwide. Choose Qinfeng Robotics as your partner. Experience the future with unmanned stamping technology.